In this video, I am going to show you how to make copies of your scoring guides and put them in your shared folder on Google Drive. So that way you will be ready when the projects come around. You'll already have the scoring guide copied, and in your shared folder you'll only have to fill out the top information. And so as you can tell, again, I'm on a Google Chrome browser and I'm on our Before Day 1 page. And if you go down here below creating the shared folder, it'll say make copies of all rubrics needed for this class found here, and just click on that. And this will take you to a folder that I have set up to where everyone can have access to it, and it has all of our documents, our scoring guides in there, and you're just going to make copies of them one by one. So if you'll notice, there's 5 of them in here. So I'm just going to go to the first one and just click on that. And then it'll come up like this, but what you want to do is open it. You need to open it in Google Drive. And then this is my copy of this scoring guide. And so what you're going to need to do is go up here to File, make a copy, and then you're going to change the name of this document to fit you. So we're just going to, it always says, when you make a copy of a document, it always says copy of and then whatever it was named before. But we're going to rename it. So I erase some of that part of the first part of that, and I'm going to name it just like your shared folder. So 2014 fall, and then there's a space and a hyphen and a space, CAL, and then space, hyphen, and then your last name, first name, without a space, and then article review scoring guide, and then that last part will be fine. So then when it creates the new document, this is now the one you own. And so you can go in here, you can put your name, and then you won't have a link. You won't have a link to your article review document yet, but whenever you do create it, you'll go back in here before the day it's due, and you'll give me the link right there so I can be grading it and have the link right in front of me. Now this next step is really important because right now the document that you create, if you'll look up here, it's still not shared. But the beauty of a shared folder on Google Drive is that you can actually move this document to your shared folder, and it automatically shares it with the same people that the folder is shared with. So I'm going to go right up here. This little file folder to the right of the title is moving. So you're going to move that one too, and you won't have all this stuff, but yours, here it is right here. 2014 fall, CAL, Box Jennifer, and you're going to just move it right there, and then move. Okay, now I can go back to my Google Drive and go back to my folder, and I can see that my copy of the scoring guide is now in there. And if you want to verify who it's shared with, you can always look right here. Okay, I'm the owner and I shared it with Dr. Bryant because that's what my folder is shared with. If you want to verify that, you can click into it, and then you can see over here that it is shared. Okay, and that's it. So you need to do that with all of the documents that are in this. Sorry, let me get out of these. All the documents that are in this folder. So I'm going to close this one after I'm done with the article review, and now I'm back in my folder, and I can do the rest of these 5. And you'll need to do the same thing and make a copy of them, rename it with our code, and then put them in your shared folder, each one of those. So then I can edit it, and I can actually grade your projects totally online. And that's all.